Hello, our YouTube family, and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God and Almighty. Firstly, we'd like to apologize for the thing that we've not been connected to you for this really long time. And there is a beautiful reason behind this why we were not there.
As we had a break on our YouTube channel, there was something beautiful happening in our lives.
And this beautiful thing was that we were blessed again to be a parent.
So friends, are you excited to see my sister? So friends, meet my sister Kisha.
Kisha,
Say hello.
say hello.
Hello.
Hello. So friends, the journey of Kisha began in this way. Today is May 20. Today is a day where we got married. It's our anniversary. So happy anniversary to us. And thank you everyone for wishing in advance. Secondly, it's my queen's birthday, Nadia. So I'm blessed again with that. And this is the very same day when I was gifted again, when Nadia came and told me that we are blessed again with another pregnancy. So, and here is the result of that. So, all this time that we were busy with sleepless night, changing diapers, watching her grow, the beautiful memories that we were collecting. So, that is the whole reason that we were not connected to you, because we were gathering all these beautiful memories, seeing her grow at that point of time. So thank you for all your patience and being with us at this point of time, for always being supporting and being connected to us. Many of you guys have written to us like, okay, why you guys are not coming back? We haven't seen you. So for sure, now that we are going to be there now we have got two queens, one queen and two princesses in my life. Not two queens, sorry for that. But yes, my two princesses, K2N and Kisha. So friends, many of you might have a question of saying that, okay, so now it shall be K3N family. But no, it's still going to be K2N family. And how is that? Let me explain this to you again. In my previous one, when I had done an introduction, I did tell you what K2N stands for. And today, again, it still stands K2N family. Because K stands for Cashley, that's me. K2N, my elder daughter, Kisha, the youngest one in the house. Two is very resembling us for us because I was born on 26th, Nadia was born on 20th, Angel was born on 2nd, and Kisha was born on 29th. So two is very resembling for us. N is for my only one and only queen, Nadia. So that makes us K2N family. So friends, we are very excited and thrilled to get connected back again with a lot of excited recipes. And not only just that, we are going to come with a lot more vlogs as well. We are going to do personal vlogs where we're going to show a lot of excited things in there. So I hope you will be connected to us and always keep us supporting in the way you have always been supporting for us. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And from K2N family, for now, adios.